Good morning, traders. I've just taken a trade short, and let me check the stop really quick. Okay, this trade was called out in advance in my charting service about, let's see, it was 8 hours ago. 8 hours ago, I called this trade out, predicted it within my charting service, and I am taking the trade. This will be trade number 1 that I take. I'm also going to take another trade again today. This trade is just for 60 ticks, and the second trade will also be for 60 ticks. So if I hit both of them, I'll get 120 ticks today. Anyway, I will come back shortly to show you the progression and of course the outcome of this trade. Just to quickly prove that this isn't any sort of a replay, let's go to the world clock, and we'll click right there, and you'll see that Los Angeles time is 6:04, and my time here in Bangkok is 20:04, which is 8 o'clock, 8:04 p.m. So I'm here, it's nighttime now, 8 p.m. on the same day that it is in Los Angeles, which is 6:04 a.m. And if we click here, you'll see that it also says 6:04 a.m. So anyway, I am short. This trade was predicted in advance about 8 hours ago in my charting service, and this one should be good for 60 ticks. Okay, I just wanted to come back really quick and show that this thing is going down, and it's just going to keep going down here. The exit is at 21, so it doesn't have that far to go. And I'm actually going to turn my back on this trade. I'm going to go over to Starbucks and get some coffee. You know, this isn't something that you would want to do, turn your back on a trade, unless you knew what the code was. And since I know what the code is, I'm the one tracking it. I'm the one figuring it out mathematically, and I'm the one tracking it. So, and I get, you know, let all of my charting subscribers in on my tracking of the code so that they also know what the code is. And you know, if you know what the code is and you're tracking it like I am, whatever, then you can turn your back on a trade like this and it's still going to work. 60 ticks is a fairly conservative price to, or amount to go for. What most likely is going to happen is it'll come down, probably hit the exit. If it doesn't, then it'll come close and it'll come back up, and it'll go into another code, and then it will come back down again and keep coming down. So one way or another, it's going to hit the exit. It's not going to go up and hit my stop. So one way or another, the exit will get hit. Now what I would like for it to do is come down, hit the 21, hit the 21, hit the 60 tick exit, then come back up and allow me to take a second entry up here somewhere, and then follow it all the way back down for another 60 ticks. That would be ideal, and there's a good chance that that will happen. But sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Anyway, I'm just going to go to Starbucks for a little while, maybe. Well, we're going to walk over there, so maybe I'll be back in 45 minutes, maybe an hour or something like that, and then I'll be ready to take another trade, assuming I get out of this one. Otherwise, I'll just hold on to it because it's just going to give a short again and go down. So anyway, we'll be back in a little while and show probably the outcome of this trade, and then I'll take another trade again. Okay everyone, I am going to call it a night for today. I've got some things to do, but I will be back tomorrow to do some more trading. I hope all of you are doing well, and hope you charting subscribers nailed the trade today. You should have done so very easily. Anyway, I will see all of you tomorrow. I'll be back for the charting, and one more day of trading, and then it's the weekend. Hope all of you are doing well. Happy trading out there.